Another function of Dream Draper is our transparency tool. You can make any design or component appear as though it had sheer fabric. Click on the component and then make sure your properties box is opened up. Click on the fill opacity button and just move it to the left. Notice that the fabric becomes sheer. Also, the lines are a little bit too dark. Click on the stroke opacity and then simply drag it to the left. There you go. It gives the illusion as though your panel is sheer. Another neat tip is to have a picture or a JPEG appear through a window. Move the picture so it's behind the window. Click on the second arrow up here in your toolbar or the custom fill mode. Move your fill opacity. We're clicking on the inside glass right here on the second arrow and simply move the fill opacity again to the left. There you go. Look at that. And then you could make it as lighter or darker as you like. Isn't that neat? Now, I would crop out the photo so it fits behind her, but I just want to show you the difference. See how dark? And again, you could just even give it a little bit of a muted look. It's really pretty. You can get very creative using our text. You can also create flyers and brochures right within Dream Draper. Click on the text icon located in your toolbar, bring your mouse down to the canvas and click, and start typing. Click on the canvas to finish. If you'd like to edit the text, select the text and make sure your properties box is opened. Over here in your properties, you can add more text. Click apply, or you can delete text that's in there. Click apply. You can change the font style. Click on the down arrow and maybe change the style of your font. Let's see, we'll click on. There you go. Change the font size rather, I'm sorry. Maybe you want to make it bigger. We'll even make it a little bigger. You can change the fill opacity, or let's go back. We can change the font style here. You can make it italic. You can make it bold. You can change the fill color of the text. Click on your palette, and let's change it to a red. Click OK. Neato, huh? You can change the stroke color. Click on your palette, and we'll change that to a really dark blue. Awesome. And you can also change the fill opacity by clicking on the button and dragging to the left. See, it's getting a little lighter. And the stroke opacity. You can also change the stroke width. That's how we added, see this, we had our name on here. In case you want to add your name as a watermark on your designs, again, just type your name and use the fill opacity. So it's just a little bit muted and you can put it on your design. I want to show you how you can create an exact angle for a wall, most likely maybe a wall used in a bay window. In real life, measure the wall and measure the angle. So let's assume that the wall is 46 inches wide and the angle is on 30 degrees. Now watch this. Click on the dimension tool, click on the canvas, and we're going to type in 46 inches, which is the width of the wall. Make sure the dimension tool is selected. Go up to Object, Rotate, Arbitrary, and type in 30 degrees. And click OK. Notice that the dimension tool turned on an angle. Drag your dimension tool over to the wall and place it in that corner. Click on the wall and click on Edit Points. Drag the point down to the corner or drag the point to the end of the dimension tool. There you go. Bring the dimension tool to the top and flip, and do the same thing. Click on the wall and drag the point to the end of the dimension tool. Isn't that neat? So now you've got a 46-inch wall on a 30-degree angle.